y'all, it's T and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing a huge grocery haul with you guys of the items that I picked up in preparation to host Christmas. And then I'll also be sharing a cake recipe that my husband made. And last but not least, I'll be sharing with you guys some gift wrapping. So if you need to get any type of prep done in your home for Christmas, go ahead and take me along with you because this is our time to get it all done together. All right, y'all, so I am outside. This is our overflow fridge in the garage. So this is what it's looking like. Y'all, I have been busy. So when I do my couponing trips, I have just been throwing stuff in here because, of course, when I get home, I am super tired. So it's just thrown in here, but I promise y'all know I'm going to get it together, get it straightened out. So this is the door. And I'm not sure what that is that spilled right there, but that's why I went and got some Dawn so I can get it all cleaned and wiped out so I can get this organized. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So y'all remember a couple of videos back I asked y'all for some suggestion on some gloves that I can use to wash dishes and clean the kitchen with. Y'all, these gloves, oh my goodness, they are so thick. And this is what they look like, and they cuff like this naturally on the bottoms so that water and all of that doesn't go down your arm. I love them. So I found them in TJ Maxx for $5. At the time when I found these, they were listed for $12.99 on Amazon. Now they're marked down to $8.80. But if you are interested, you can check your local TJ Maxx to see if you can find these. I love them so much. So I bought these like a couple weeks ago, and I found these a couple days ago. So I went on and got a second pair so I can have it for later. But yeah, if you can't find them in your TJ Maxx, check my description box. I will have them linked for Amazon. So before I move any further into today's video, I would like to take this time out to introduce myself to those of you that may be visiting my channel for the very first time. So my name is T, and the majority of the content that you'll be seeing from me will be extreme cleaning motivation. You'll also see a little bit of home organization, DIY, and home improvement projects, a little bit of shopping, home decor, a little bit of cooking, and much, much more. Anything home related that my husband and I can think of, we will be posting it over here on this channel. So if any of that type of content interests you, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each and every time that I post a brand new video. And I also wanted to say hey and welcome back to all of my existing subscribers. I appreciate you guys so, so much for showing up and watching my videos week by week. So now let's get into this huge grocery haul. All right, y'all, I want to show you guys this huge food haul that I have here. So all of this stuff I picked up in preparation to host for Christmas. We have about, I think it's about 6 people coming that will be hosting for a few days. So I shopped at 3 different stores: Publix, Sam's Club, and Aldi. So I'm going to go over everything that I picked up. So first, starting off with Publix, I got 3 of these Bear chicken breasts. They will buy one get one free. This standing rib roast, I had it sliced up. Every time this sale comes around, usually it goes for like $6.99 a pound. Regular price is like $13 a pound. I got it sliced up, and I'm going to separate it out. And when we have steaks, we will have them so much cheaper than buying them any other time. This ground chuck, excuse how pressed down it is. It wasn't my cooler bag, so I picked that up. I picked up 4 of the Smithfield premium sausage, 1 tomato juice. All of these bread items I picked up, buy one get one free. So I got regular bread, some brioche rolls, and then some hamburger buns. The On the Border chips, buy one get one free. All of the Ore-Ida items, buy one get one free as well. Parmesan cheese, BOGO. I got some Philadelphia cream cheese, not BOGO. I think these were $2.50 each, but I used a coupon on that. The cinnamon rolls, these were buy one get one free. The chicken broth, buy one get one free. The Fisher pecans, these were buy one get one free as well, but I only have one because in my state, South Carolina, the sales for the BOGO items will ring up half price instead of full price and free for the second one, so I did not have to pick up 2 items. The Velveeta cheese was not BOGO, but it was on sale. Graham cracker crumbs, I think it was like $2 for that. And that is everything that I have from Publix. So if you have a Publix and you are not shopping there, you really need to be shopping there, because the BOGO items are just a huge savings within itself. Way cheaper than Walmart, Kroger, and all of the other grocery stores. So I have posted my couponing haul over on my couponing channel. If you are interested to save even more on top of the BOGO sales, you can check that haul out. And my couponing channel is always linked in my description box. So moving on to Sam's, I have 2 boxes of the variety chips. I'm going to restock the theater room upstairs. I have some cucumbers. I have some romaine lettuce, imitation crab meat, tomatoes, and bananas. That's everything from Sam's Club. Moving on to Aldi, I have a 10-pound bag of potatoes. I think this huge bag was like $3, y'all. Really good deal. Some oranges, strawberries. I have 6 dozen of eggs, a pineapple, 2 packages of butter, some grapes, some apples, pineapples, cantaloupe, cream cheese for recipes, 2 bags of spinach, and then 2 slabs of salmon from Aldi. All right, so yes, that is everything that I picked up. Really good deal on all of this stuff, y'all. But anyway, let's go outside and go ahead and get some of this stuff put away.
Sitting by the fire, feeling oh so fine on this holy night. The Spirit guides us. All the stars they shine on this lovely night. We light up the world, forget our troubles for a moment. And every stranger is a friend, so let them join in. 'Cause when joy fills the air, you already know it's Christmas. Love beyond compare, it's Christmas time. 'Cause when joy fills the air, you already know it's Christmas. Love beyond compare, it's Christmas time. Oh, what a blissful sight. We're singing heartfelt carols in the night. Warm embrace of spirits bright, where family and friends unite. We light up the world, forget our troubles for a moment. And every stranger is a friend, so let them join in. 'Cause when joy fills the air, you already know it's Christmas. Love beyond compare, it's Christmas time. 'Cause when joy fills the air, you already know it's Christmas. Love beyond compare, it's Christmas time.
So just in case you have some leftover sweet potatoes or you want to do something different for Christmas using sweet potatoes, I wanted to share this sweet potato pound cake recipe that my husband made for Thanksgiving. It was a huge hit and it was so good and moist. So I will have the link to the recipe down in the description box.
Cause when
So now I'll be moving on into wrapping a few gifts for Rain and V. We do not have a lot for them this year because they get stuff all the time, y'all. If you have small kids, you know. So we do have a few gifts because we do want them to have something to open on Christmas morning, and not to mention the gifts that they'll be getting from relatives. And also we have a big joint gift that my husband has to put together for them that they will see on Christmas morning, and that will be outside. So, like I said, just a few items that we have so that they'll have something to open. So for Rain, we have these stackable toys, this pop-up toy, this is a bookworm, and a My First Winter book to go along with it. And then she also has a Leapfrog learning system. So that is all that we have for her. What can you buy for a 9-month-old, y'all? And then besides that, she has a lot of toys that has been handed down from V. So she's good. We just want to make sure that she has something to open for picture purposes, pretty much. So for V, we have a domino set. She loves playing dominoes on her tablet, so we figured that we go ahead and get her a set. She has a book and stuffed animal set as well. This is a backpack and lunch bag set. Y'all know that she'll be starting school next year. I cannot believe it. And then she has a little Christmas cup, and then a metal slinky, some replacement drumsticks. This is a busy board, a smart tablet. She also has a Leapfrog system as well, and then some counters. And then to wrap everything up, I have this paper right here. It's silver with white snowflakes. It goes with the theme down here where all of this stuff does. And then this red bag I'm going to use for V's stuff, and then I'm going to use some of this white tissue paper. And then for Rain's gifts, I'll be using this bag right here. And it also has some tissue paper already inside. I bought these from Target last year when they were 90% off. So let's go ahead and get started with this. So, of course, while I'm wrapping these gifts, I'll be watching one of my favorite Christmas movies. Y'all watch this movie so many times during the Christmas season. What is your favorite Christmas movie? Drop me a comment down in the comment section.
It's an early December morning. No one but we are. We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the door, we got by. Falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and round. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you.
found my ornament while I was going through my gift bag and tissue paper stash. This I bought last year during the 90% off clearance sale at Hobby Lobby. And I don't think that they came back or brought this back this year because I was unable to find it. I was going to get one to give to one of my friends. But yeah, I'm on the hunt for another one. Hopefully they'll bring it back next year. But it says nurses make the world a better place, and it goes perfect with the color scheme in the living room this year. So I'm going to go ahead and add it to the tree. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this week's video, and I also hope that it gave you some motivation to get some Christmas prep done in your home. I want to wish all of you a Merry Christmas. I will probably not post another video before Christmas, but I should have a Christmas vlog for you guys that will be posted a day or two after Christmas. I hope that you guys enjoyed time with your family and friends this Christmas. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and I will see you all in the next one.